So now we will see how consumer interface works. So here I have written this consumer test class, and this we are using inside this we are using consumer implementation. So before going into consumer implementation, let's first see what are the methods inside consumer. So if you see inside consumer, it has only one abstract method accept, and the rest is the default method, this and then. So we are going to give the implementation of the accept method of consumer interface. So basically consumer interface can be used in a situation where we want to perform some operation on an object. So if you see, it is of generic type and we can define the type. So here I have defined a string. So this consumer will take objects of type string, and here the implementation will be like it will print the object which we have passed inside the consumer accept method. So here I have written this method for each. So what this is doing, that it is printing the element present in the list which is passed. So this for each method is taking two arguments. One is list and another is consumer interface implementation. So inside this we are iterating through this list, and then we are calling the consumer accept method by passing this string which is inside this list object. So here we have created this list. It has three objects inside this list, and now for every object we will call consumer.accept method, and the implementation of the accept method is this. We have given the implementation using lambda. So for every accept method, this system.out.println method is called. So basically this consumer interface is used when we want to perform some operation on any object. So here we have written our own for each method using consumer interface. This is one usage of consumer interface. If we now run this, so now running this, it will print this line for every object. So here we can perform any other operation also. Like here I am printing system.out.println. I can also uh, make this to uppercase or to lowercase. Now, now here for every object passed to this consumer interface, it will be it will print this system.out.println to uppercase. Let me system.out.println. So here, okay, this is, I can type any name also, A B C, then TWO, then XYZ. And if I run this, so it has made all the characters uppercase. So this is basically used to perform any operation on the argument which is passed on inside the accept method.